I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use file sharing on Windows. First, open the Control Panel and navigate to Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings and turn on Network Discovery and File Sharing for your private profile. This allows your computer to see and be seen by other devices on your local network, which is essential for sharing files effectively. Once network sharing is enabled, you can select individual folders to share. Right-click the desired folder, choose Properties, then go to the Sharing tab. Click Share, and add the users or groups you want to grant access to. You can set their permissions to read for viewing only or read/write for full modification capabilities. Remember to apply these changes. To access shared files from another computer on your network, open File Explorer and click on Network in the left-hand pane. You should see a list of all discoverable devices. Find the computer that is sharing the files and double-click its icon. This will display all the folders that have been explicitly shared from that machine, allowing you to browse and interact with them based on your assigned permissions. For more control, use the Advanced Sharing option within the folder's properties. Here, you can limit the number of simultaneous users or set specific permissions for individual users or groups. Consider password protecting your shared folders for an extra layer of security, especially if sensitive information is involved. Always ensure your security permissions align with your sharing intentions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.